Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia here. A quick update related to the affiliate manager in Funneltopia. In case you didn't know, there's a full-on affiliate dashboard where you can basically set it up in a way where other people can promote your products in exchange for a commission, right? Have your own affiliates for your products. But the new thing that got added is when you create campaigns, you have the ability to do lead tracking on forms, surveys, and calendars inside the affiliate manager. So you can see here, once you create a new campaign, form, surveys, calendars. So essentially this is, it doesn't necessarily just have to be an affiliate program for a paid product, right? You can also pay people commissions for bringing in more calendar bookings or more leads to your lead magnet, right? Or signups for your, just whatever you're offering, or filling out your quizzes and surveys. So this brings extra abilities. It doesn't just need to be a paid product, right? And over here, you can see once you select one of them, obviously you can select which form, right? Let's just select the form. That's fine. Let's click next. And then here, obviously you can do the description, then you can assign an affiliate. So let's just say as a test, let's assign one. And then additional settings is just the payout settings, I think. Yeah, email template, that's fine. Just keep the default, and cookie life, keep it as is. And the payouts, yeah, it's just, you can see the explanations are in the brackets. Net 15 means that the pay is on the 15th of the month, or rather, let's just say, yeah, all your commissions for March are going to be paid on April 15th, right? That's what net 15 means. So just, yeah, that's what it kind of says in the brackets. And then as you've selected the affiliates and you click publish, the affiliate will also receive an email with their affiliate link. So if you see here, this is a previous one, but it will look the same. So yeah, they just received their link and they just can go, advertise your form or whatever, or calendar sign up or whatever it is, right? Whatever your purpose might be. And it makes it really simple, right? They just received the link right away. So yeah, make sure to explore that, to have your own little army of affiliates, make your life even easier, and have other people advertise what you have to offer. Definitely go check it out. And if you have any questions, as per usual, at the bottom, 24/7 chat support. If you're a VIP client, there's going to be a schedule a VIP call option here as well. That's more of actually getting on a call as opposed to like a couple of questions specifically for Funneltopia, just for clarification. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.